Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to connect your iPhone with speakers. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone. We can now bring that into the frame. We need to have access to speakers, bring that into the frame, and we need access to power. Bring that into the frame. And we need a plug that connects to a USB. Bring that into the frame. So now to connect your iPhone with the speakers, connect your plug. Can be an iPhone, iPad plug with USB connectivity. That goes into this. And then connect this into the power socket. So the speakers themselves are on. Disconnect for the moment. You need an iPhone with a headphone jack. Connected. Plug into socket, connected. And now open up an app, play a video, computer science videos here today to show you guys. So the voice, the sound is coming from the speakers. We can control the volume. As in this tutorial, switch between multiple Instagram accounts on a computer. Without further ado, let us. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.